And welcome back. Bangladesh are off to a very good start in the third and deciding T20 International against the West Indies at the Central Broward Regional Park in Florida Lauderdale. At sports time, the Bangladeshis were 74 for 2 after just 6.3 overs this after electing to bat. Liton Das, 45, and Mushkur Rahim are the batsmen at the crease. Tamim Iqbal went for 21 and Sumya Sakar went for 5. Windies captain Carlos Brathwaite and Keema Paul have taken a wicket apiece. Bangladesh's team remained unchanged after their win on Saturday, while the Caribbean team has made one change with Jamaica's Chadwick Walton coming in for Trinidad's Evan Lewis. The rest of the team reads Captain Carlos Brathwaite, Andre Fletcher, Marlon Samuels, Andre Russell, Dennis Ramdin, Robman Powell, Ashley Nurse, Keema Paul, Keswick Williams and Samuel Badri. The series is tied at 1 apiece.